I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? Give me another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're at Vybz Kartel and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, man. Teacher. Yes, it's a 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 production. CR203 production. Yes. Boom. That one name, boom. Bumbuckler. Boom. Could jump in that one and see what going on, man. Vybz Kartel, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Boom. Let's go.
You no go party fi do the gully creep or your party fi wine to the teacher.
Okay. Video we get fit.
Then why no? 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 Then why no?
Why not?
Take down,
Pass up.
the whole they too good to pass up. She a talk about the man controlling. The man left her cause she can't fuck.
Excuse me. The man left because you're boring. You can't fuck. You're boring, mama. When him say Archie back, see your back. No. Archie blood clot back for Arch. Ready again. All right, girls, they want to get Arch back. Big up on yourself. Who do my love? Can't take a girl in my cup like okra. Moving the blood clot. Ready?
Head down, ass up.
Ass up.
The whole they too good to pass up.
Yeah.
She a talk about the man controlling. The man left her cause she can't fuck.
Yeah, that's the way you are tell your friend them. But man controlling. Tell your friend them the real blood clot reason why the man left you. Tell your friend them why the man left you.
She a talk about the man controlling. The man left her cause she can't fuck.
Excuse me.
No you, your body no run through.
Not you.
How much man you take your whole feel brand new.
Pussy clan, no matter how much man you take. Because the girl we have the tight skin them. Because the girl we have the tight skin. You know, and no matter how much man go there, he still feel tight, no man. Reputation up the same and the boy can't say nothing about boy, you big up on himself.
I know you, your body no run through.
No.
How much man you take your whole feel brand new.
Yeah.
Boom, what a girl body good. Your boyfriend out. You no go party fi do the gully creep or your party fi wine to the teacher.
Again! Oh, sick lad. DJ, come make up a sandwich. Then why not? Yeah, wine.
Idiot. Head down,
Ass up,
the whole they too good to
pass up,
She a talk about the man controlling. The man left
Let
her
your
cause
car
she
be
can't
careful,
fuck. I know you, your body no run through. Matter how much man you take your whole feel brand new.
Yeah.
Boom. What a girl body
Good.
Your boyfriend a hunt you daily and nightly. Like the white girls, them were lost in the woods. All of the man, them in the scheme want you bring a new
Your boyfriend a hunt you daily and nightly like the white girls that were lost in the woods.
Your body no run through.
Ready?
How much man you take your whole feel brand new.
Yeah. Boom. What a girl can.
Good. Your boyfriend a hunt you daily and nightly. Like the white girls, them were lost in the woods. All of the man, them in the scheme want you bring a new meaning to neighborhood. What me want you do?
You bring a new meaning to neighborhood. Cause guess what? All of the man them in the neighborhood want you. All of the man them in the area want you. All of the man in the community want you. But I just certain man can get you. You know, flashy dashy.
All of the man them in the scheme want you bring a new meaning to neighborhood. What me want you do? Boom. Bend down and boom. Cock it up and boom. What a girl body. Good. What me want you do? Boom. Bend down and boom. Cock it up and boom. What a girl body. Good. And what you not do? You no go party fi do the gully creep or your party fi wine to the teacher. And when you wine, girl, you wine to the beat. Galangal, you're seeing them can't delete. Galangal, oh your body hot, you stop bleach. Your dust look brown like the bleaching reach.
Blood clot. Hold on, man.
To the teacher, and when you wine, girl, you wine to the beat. Galangal, you're seeing them can't delete.
You're seeing them can't delete. There's no take two in your scene. When director says scene, action, there's no take two. You just got it. Some girls got it, some girls don't. Because the girls haven't got it. The one them wanna have it, wanna try get it. Big up on yourself, see me.
And when you wine, girl, you wine to the beat. Galangal, you're seeing them can't delete.
Galangal,
oh your body hot, you stop bleach. Your dust look brown like the bleaching reach. Rich man, I look you and I give you big speech. But girl, you have your pride, could have never been no late.
Which man I look you and I give you a big speech? Which man I tell you say where him can do fear from, where him can do fear from, where him I gonna do from, where him not gonna. You're not frightened for that, mama. You're not frightened for them thing that. You're independent, you have your own thing.
Rich man, I look you and I give you big speech. But tell you have your pride, could I never be no late.
Never!
You do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom.
Yeah, them a boom in a youth.
Boom, boom, boom. What a girl body.
Good, good, good.
When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom, boom. What a girl body. Good, good.
Clad.
Idiot. Head down.
Ass up.
The whole they too good to pass up. She a talk about the man controlling. The man left her cause she can't fuck. I know you, your body no run through.
Yo, I get a tick, you know. I get a tick like bomb clock in the youth. That girl I drink cement soup in the youth.
Trolling. The man left her cause she can't fuck. I know you, your body no run through. No matter how much man you take your whole feel brand new.
Boom, boom, boom. What a girl can. Good, good.
Your boyfriend a hunt you daily and nightly. Like the white girls, them are lost in the woods. All of the man, them in the scheme want you. You bring a new meaning
to neighborhood.
When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom, boom. What a girl body. Good, good, good. When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom, boom. What a girl body. Good, good, good. And what you not do? You no go party if you do the gully creep. Or you party if you wine to the teacher. And when you wine, girl, you wine to the beat. Galang, gal, you're seeing them can't delete. Galang.
So the part where I must say, you no go party if you do the gully creep. Or you party if you wine to the teacher. Hey, at this, him not talk the bumbo class selector them we come a dance and I play a Be a Bad Man song. Him not talk about the selector them we are play for the girls them. Big up on yourself. Cause the girls them want dance. The girl them want dance with some teacher. Cock it up on the dumper choke and give them a spoon on them. And them song that the girl them want. Ready?
And when you wine, girl, you wine to the beat.
Ready?
Galang, gal, you're seeing them can't delete.
Galang, gal.
Oh, your body hot, just stop bleach. You just look brown like the bleaching reach.
You just look brown like the bleaching reach. Because the black girl them too. Melanin. Me love no.
Galang, gal, oh, your body hot, just stop bleach. You just look brown like the bleaching reach. Rich man, I look you and I give you big speech. But tell you have your pride, could I never be no late. When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom.
Cock it up and
boom, boom, boom. What a girl body. Good, good, good. When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom, boom. What a girl body.
Clap.
Good.
Yeah! No, I never pick up on myself. ZJ Crum! One more hit on the belt, my G. Teacher! What more can I do? What more can I do? Eh? If you not watch one upon teacher Instagram or ZJ Crum Instagram, you better not follow up on my Instagram. Please, see the numbers at Jamaica Race Gamer. Yes. Guys are fast in the comment section represent the man. One of there. Eh? One link I go there in the comment section. That's my second reaction channel. Who you know what thing already, man? I'm out.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus Gamer. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.